Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Moneywise Engineer. In this video, pag-uusapan natin ang top 3 dividend-paying stocks, ang SCC, LTG, and DMC. Worth it pa ba mag-invest sa tatlong stocks na ito? Here are my top 15 holdings sa aking dividend portfolio, kasama ang tatlong top dividend-paying stocks dito sa aking dividend portfolio. In terms of dividends contribution, SCC ang pinakamalaki at 21.3% of my total dividends the past year, followed by LTG at 14% and DMC at 10.3%. Disclaimer, this is for informational purposes only and not a financial advice. Investing in the stock market involves risk, so always do your own due diligence before investing. First, pag-usapan natin ang LT Group Incorporated ni Lucio Tan. LTG is a diversified conglomerate involved in banking, beverage, tobacco, alcohol, and real estate. LTG has a market cap of 108.6 billion pesos. Ito ang historical share price performance ng LTG. Maximum price na na-achieve ay 27 pesos. So, sana makabalik pa siya sa price na yan. Pero sa ngayon, sideways lang ang movement ng share price ng LTG and hindi siya makalampas-lampas sa resistance level na ito since last year. Pero tumataas naman ang share price ng LTG. Ang kanyang year-to-date return ay 14.7% and one-year return is 16.38%. Pero mababa ang kanyang 3-year return. Consistent na nagbibigay ng dividends ang LTG over the past 8 years and tumaas din ang dividend. And then, since 2021, naging quarterly ang distribution ng dividends. Generous ang LTG, so laging may pa-special dividends since 2021. Mababa ang dividend payout ratio ng LTG, so super healthy. LTG's dividend payments are well covered by its earnings and cash flows. So this is a good indicator for LTG's dividend sustainability. LTG's core business operations are primarily centered around four key sectors. Unang-una, yung banking. PNB is one of LTG's largest revenue-generating segments, contributing 57.4% sa revenue, and then followed by distilled spirits at 25.8%. Tanduay is one of the leading alcoholic drinks in the Philippines. Merong growing international presence ang Tanduay and it continues to innovate with new product lines. Pangatlo ay ang beverage through Asia Brewery, contributing 14.9% ng revenue. LTG produces and distributes a variety of drinks. Merong beer, energy drinks, bottled water, and soft drinks. Nakipag-partner din ang LTG with international brands gaya ng Heineken and AB Pascual Foods to expand its product offerings. Meron ding property development ang LTG through Eton Properties, contributing 1.9% sa revenue. LTG's revenue is consistently growing. However, net earnings have remained relatively flat the past year due to lower profit margin and nagdecline ang kanyang tobacco business. It's important to note that revenue growth is still a positive sign for LTG's long-term prospects, which can support future profitability ng LTG. Yung LTG's core business operations, hindi included ang direct sale of Philip Morris products. Pero merong investment ang LTG sa Philip Morris Philippines. Kaya yung earnings from Philip Morris investment are included sa LTG's total earnings. Pero hindi siya classified as direct revenue. Here's the financial performance of LTG the first half of 2024. PNB ang primary contributor sa earnings ng LTG at 45%. Net earnings ng PNB is up by 5% versus same period last year. However, nagdecline ang tobacco business, ang kanilang second largest earnings contributor, due to declining consumer demand and rise of illegal trade of tobacco products. The good thing is all the other segments of LTG are growing. LTG has been actively diversifying its portfolio, and all the other sectors are showing promising growth. PNB in particular has benefited from economic expansion and increased lending activities. Meron ng earnings report ang PNB sa first 9 months of 2024. Maganda ang performance ng banking sector sa ngayon. PNB's net income is up 12% in the first 9 months of 2024. Napaka-healthy rin ng balance sheet ng LTG. Mababa lang ang utang with cash of 385.45 billion pesos. LTG is financially healthy. Overall, LTG is a company with a diversified business portfolio and solid performance. The tobacco side of the business still has challenges, but they're being balanced by growth in other areas. So for me, I'll stick with LTG as long as they keep paying good dividends and the company's financials remain strong. Next stock is DMCI Holdings Incorporated, another favorite stock ng mga dividend investors. DMCI Holdings is also a diversified company. Meron siyang key operations in construction, real estate, energy, power, mining, and water distribution. DMC owns 56.65% of SCC and 25% of Maynilad. Meron siyang market cap of 153.2 billion pesos. Here's the share price history ng DMC. So, ang laki na rin ng itinaas sa share price since 2000. Maximum share price na na-achieve ay 16.56 pesos per share. Ito naman ang share price niya sa ngayon. Tumataas naman ang share price ng DMC. Ang kanyang year-to-date return is 14.64% and one-year return is 22.14%. Mataas ang kanyang 3-year return. DMC has been consistently giving dividends over the past years. Since 2021, naging twice a year ang kanyang dividend payout. Nagbigay ulit ng special dividend payable ngayong November, pero lower na siya versus yung previous dividend. Pero higher pa rin compared with other dividend stocks. Mababa ang dividend payout ratio ng DMC from its earnings, nasa 30%, and from cash flow naman ay nasa 43% ang payout ratio. Healthy ang payout ratio ng DMC. This is a positive indication of dividend sustainability. DMC retains a significant portion of its earnings for reinvestment. So, pwede nilang gamitin to grow their business and potentially pay higher dividends in the future. Nag-grow ang revenue and earnings over the past 10 years. However, after mag-peak ang revenue and earnings noong 2022, nag-decline due to challenges in the coal market. Though expected na rin ito ng DMC that the coal business will soften kasi nag-stabilize na ang price ng coal. Ito naman ang revenue breakdown ng DMC from its business operations. Biggest revenue ay from coal mining at 42%, followed by power at 20.1%. 15.1% naman from real estate development, 13.9% from DMCI Homes, and other segments at 8.8%. Bumaba ang net income ng DMC sa first half ng 2024 versus same period last year. 30% ang decline in core net income. This is due to weaker contributions from its integrated energy, yung Semirara Mining and Power Corporation, and DMCI Homes, along with a net loss from its nickel mining business. And nag-improve naman ang performance ng kanyang water utility, off-grid power generation, and construction businesses which partially offset the downturn. SMPC, DMCI Homes, and Maynilad accounted for 91% of core net income. Mataas ang kanyang return on invested capital, nasa 20%. High ROIC stocks tend to sustain long-term growth. Mataas din ang return on equity. This shows that DMC is highly efficient in generating profits from its shareholders' equity. Mababa rin ang kanyang utang, DE ratio is 33.8%. So, below our conservative target na 50%. Maraming insider buying ang DMC. Madaming binili si Maria Cristina Gotianon. So, she's part of the DMC leadership team and one of the board members. This is a positive indication of DMC's strong growth prospects. Future expansion and growth plans ng DMC. Marami silang mga ongoing projects to keep their business running and continue to grow ang revenue and earnings ng company. DMCI Homes will launch 2 new projects in prime locations later this year. With interest rates expected to go down, DMCI Homes is well positioned to meet the growing demand for residential properties. SMPC's strong dollar earnings from coal exports and cost savings from fuel blending can also help them deal with rising prices. DMCI Power is focused on the 17.7 megawatt Palawan Bunker plant and the 12 megawatt Semirara wind plant. Yung mga projects na ito aim to meet the growing energy demands of businesses in those areas. DMCI Mining naman is working to get government approval to open new mines in Zambales and Palawan. Merong oversupply of nickel globally, pero meron pa ring need for high-quality nickel, especially from Indonesia. Overall, DMC is a company with a diverse portfolio. Meron din siyang strong financial position. As long as they keep paying good dividends and the company's financials remain strong, I believe DMC can continue to be a good investment. So mag-stick lang din ako sa DMC. Next stock is Semirara Mining and Power Corporation. Ang SCC is a major player in the Philippine energy sector. SCC has been a significant contributor to the country's energy needs. Isa rin ang SCC sa favorite stocks ng mga dividend investors dahil sa mataas na dividend. But with the global shift towards renewable energy, worth it pa ba mag-invest sa SCC? Here's the share price performance history ng SCC. Ang laki na rin ang itinaas sa share price since 2000. Highest share price na na-achieve is 47.9 pesos. Sideways lang ang share price movement, hindi rin makalampas-lampas sa level na ito ang share price. Tumataas naman ang share price ng SCC. Meron siyang year-to-date return na 6.28%. 1-year return is 10.86% at ang 3-year return is 23.65%. Nag-grow ang revenue and earnings over the past 10 years. However, after mag-peak noong 2022, nag-decline ang revenue and earnings and bumaba rin ang profit margin. Noong 2021, nasa 40.46 billion pesos ang revenue ng SCC from coal. And then noong 2022, almost double ang revenue sa coal due to sharp increase in coal prices and high demand sa coal noong 2022. And then noong 2023, nag-stabilize na yung price ng coal and bumaba ang revenue ng SCC from coal. Meron ng third quarter earnings report ang SCC, nag-drop ng 8% ang net earnings compared to same period last year. From January to September 2024 naman, nag-decline ang net earnings by 31%. Nag-decline ang earnings kasi they had to sell their coal at lower price. And nag-increase din ang cost of doing their business kaya bumaba ang profit margin. For the remainder of 2024, they expect the coal and electricity prices to remain stable. Ito naman ang dividend payments history ng SCC. Consistent siya nagbibigay ng dividends over the past years and tumaas ang dividend noong nag-peak ang revenue ng SCC noong 2022 and then yung latest dividend for November payment ay bumaba na as expected pero mataas pa rin naman. Hindi nga lang singlaki the past 2 years. Healthy pa rin ang dividend payout ratio ng SCC from its earnings at 30%. So, the remaining 70% ng earnings are retained and reinvested back into the business. Merong special dividend ang SCC ngayong November, total of 10.6 billion pesos ang ipapamigay ni Konsunji. SCC has free cash flow of 20.33 billion pesos. Dividend payout ratio from free cash flow is 52%, which is still healthy. Mataas din ang return on equity ng SCC at 35.5% versus 8.7% lang ng industry. This shows that SCC is highly efficient in generating profits from its shareholders' equity. SCC is planning to invest 291.4 billion pesos to expand its mining operations. Yung expansion will involve running the existing Molave and Nara pits at the same time, followed by the Acacia pit once na ma-deplete ang Molave at Nara pits. The entire expansion is set to continue until 2027. Coal is still in demand and our country still relies on coal power plants to provide a consistent supply of electricity. So SCC will continue to produce coal as long as there's demand for it. SCC is also expanding and diversifying its energy portfolio. And merong dinidevelop na 17.7 megawatt bunker-fired power plant sa Palawan. And SCC also plans to enter the renewable energy space. Merong 12 megawatt wind plant on Semirara Island, targeted for completion by the first quarter of 2025. So ito ang SCC's first step into renewable energy. Marami ding insider buying sa SCC. This indicates na tiwala ang mga insiders sa future growth potential ng SCC. While coal remains a significant part of its operations, SCC's commitment to diversifying its energy portfolio is essential for long-term growth of the company. The decision to invest in SCC still depends on your investment goals and risk tolerance.